evening, y'all. How y'all doing? If you're returning, welcome back. If you're new, hey there. My name is Renee. In this video, we're just going to be setting up the pantry area that my husband just recently built for me. And we're also going to be wiping down and cleaning out old food from our refrigerator as well. So I hope this gives you some motivation to maybe organize your pantry or your fridge if it needs it, or clean it out, wipe it down, whatever your kitchen storage situation, whatever attention that may need. I hope this motivates you.
Now if you want a real good friend, or if you need some sweet loving, or if you're looking for someone who won't pretend, don't go looking, babe, here I am. Why just crawl when you could be flying? Life's just a flash, forever dying. The shortest space between hell and goodbye. There ain't no use to sit around crying, for all I know. So if you look at life like from a side, when chances they all keep sliding away, there's just one thing to remember, though it's hard, no matter where you go, babe, there you are. Why just crawl when you could be flying? Life is just a flash, forever dying. The shortest space between hell and goodbye. There ain't no use to sit around crying when we are all you've been trying to find. No need looking, babe, here I am. No more looking, 'cause here I
On my way down memory lane, you and me long time ago, and we were teens with tremendous dreams, always playing king and queen. We had set our minds to leave, face the world on wheels, cross the borders of Morocco, take a journey to Dubai, fight the pirates stuck in Disneyland Paris, take a swim in salty water, drinking stars and holy sun, and then we cross America. Looking back about 20 years or so, when I close my eyes I see how we all were tripping with beliefs, ooh, and our hearts were young and free. We had set our minds to leave, face the world on wheels, cross the borders of Morocco, take a journey to Dubai, fight the pirates stuck in Disneyland Paris, take a swim in salty water, drinking stars and holy sun, to leave. Face the world on wheels. Cross the borders of Morocco. Take a journey to Dubai. Fight the pirates stuck in Disneyland Paris.
I know a lot of other pantry organization videos have cute bins they bought from Ross or Target or Dollar Tree or Walmart or wherever, but I'm not going to run out and go buy new bins, so I'm just going to kind of make do with what I have here. As Marina from Fearfully Created says, now she's talking about decor, but I shopped my house for boxes or whatever, or just made do with what I had. So this isn't exactly totally organizational hacks or anything, but this is how I'm setting up my pantry right now. Maybe in the future I'll get some little bins or boxes or whatever to put certain things in, but as of right now, this is just how I'm doing it.
You're divine, and it's all in our signs. We're going away. Get your bag, check the tag. Decision is made. Lock your door, need no more. It's already paid. Cancel your bill for a while. It's a journey for life, and I'm your ride. Hang on, we'll be long gone. Hang on, I cannot go wrong. God, I'm praying I'm not alone in this air of hope. 'Cause I'm in love, you're a star, burning bright in my heart. We're going away. Get your bag, check the tag. Decision is made. Lock your door, need no more. It's already paid. Cancel your mail for a while. It's a journey for life, and I'm your ride. Hang on, we'll be long gone. Hang on, I cannot go.
You may be saying to yourself, wow, that woman's got a lot of jars. That's because we are going to be canning, and we've canned quite a lot, but it's also Christmas time, and I make edible gifts. So things like apple butter or candy pecans or peppermint bark, I make that and I give them away, or I even sell them. And when I do that, I use brand new jars. So that's why I've got cases of jars.
Hang on, we'll be long gone. Hang on, I cannot go wrong. Hang on, we'll be long gone. Hang on, I cannot go wrong. God, I'm praying I'm not alone in this air of hope. A journey for life, I'm right. No, 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 no. Standing at the door, I'm on the way. A million things I guess that I should say, but I am done. Yeah, I am done. Letting go of all my heavy load. I waited for the moment to unfold. Nobody's gonna make me feel I'm going down. Oh, I'm doing alright. Nobody's gonna make me feel I'm off the chart. I'm doing alright, I'm doing okay. I stand up and take it as I go. I'm doing alright, I'm doing okay.
So thank you for joining me today as I get some tasks done in the kitchen that definitely needed to get done. We got the pantry set up because for a week or so we had our food actually in the cabinet that our blankets are supposed to be in. So I'm happy we got the pantry set up. It's not completely totally organized because, like I said, I don't have any storage bins to separate, the baking goods from the soup goods to the whatever goods. But it's totally functional and that's fine with me. At least we have a pantry. And we did get the refrigerator wiped out really good, even though it is kind of sparse. At least it's clean. So thanks for hanging out with me today as I get these tasks done. And as usual, if you have any prayer requests, you can leave them down below in the comments, or you can message me on Instagram. And I pray that y'all have a great weekend. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.